The SL Blade Kit mounts horizontally or vertically to surfaces and extends out to hold signage material with two grippers. The kit comes with one 18-inch length of pre-cut extrusion. A single low-head socket cap screw passes through the base plate and threads into the pre-tapped end of the extrusion. The kit comes with 4 white nylon anchors and mounting screws to secure the base plate. Also included are 2 extrusion nuts, screws, and grippers. Gripper options are available to hold material in 1/8, 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch thicknesses. We'll use the 1/4 inch grippers in this install. The kit also includes an adhesive brushed aluminum finishing cap. 2 important tips when tightening the base plate. One is to avoid making adjustments by rotating the plate once attached to the bar, as this may scratch the base plate's powder-coated finish. The second tip is to lay the assembly on a flat, clean surface, so the square plate and extrusion will be aligned with one another. Use a firm grip to keep the assembly from twisting out of alignment when torquing down the screw. Here's how the grippers assemble. The small set screw on the side of the gripper needs to be backed out first. Careful not to lose this little guy. Now, drop the low head screw through the gripper. At this point, you can reinstall the nylon tip set screw and then thread on the extrusion nut. Locate the grippers along the channel wherever you want them to grasp the material. The material then goes into the gripper slots and it's held in place with the nylon tip set screws. Finish off the end with the adhesive cap. You can use a square to be sure the base plate and material line up before securing the base plate to the wall. Level the blade sign, mark holes, and drill 1/4 inch holes for the drywall or masonry anchors. Just tap the anchors flush in the holes. Install the 4 screws. Give us a call with any questions you may have. Thanks for watching.